stop, a well-placed truck stop in the middle of the night is really fine thing. Truck stops here are a little different than they are at home. Years ago, we were in a truck stop out in the middle of the Midwest, somewhere in the middle of Illinois, and you know how the truck stops have like a professional drivers only section, and in this particular truck stop, it was just labeled truckers only, and there was a highway patrolman and his partner, two highway patrolmen, seated at a table in the truckers only section. And after a while, I noticed that I was sitting nearby, but not in the truckers. And I noticed that some of the drivers were looking over at these highway patrolmen, and finally, this great, big, tall driver looked over at the highway patrolman and said, "Truckers only." And the highway patrolman just sort of slid his sunglasses down on his nose and looked over him at the driver and he said, "I got a truck."
As I drove into the valley with my old friend at my side, and she stood there at the altar, all dressed in